CAD Nest Software Training Institute, job-oriented diploma and certification courses. In CAD Nest, we provide comprehensive, career-focused courses. Boost your speed and accuracy with our Kannada and English typing course. Learn to type confidently in both languages with
Master GST and Income Tax Filing. Professional Certification Course.
Upgrade your future with in-demand computer and IT skills. Build a strong foundation, master Excel, and explore AI automation. Learn smart and stay ahead in the digital world.
At the Computer Teachers Training course, we don't just teach you how to code. We teach you how to inspire. Master the tools.
Master office administration to work smarter and boost productivity. Master accounting and finance with Tally Prime to manage GST. Learn powerful AI tools and office automation to work faster, smarter.